Yes, ladies and gentlemen, this is done talk for the national anthem. Yes, let's get ready, ladies and gentlemen, it's showtime! Showtime! We're live! It's one of the top all those in stadium tonight. Enjoy this wonderful match first game tonight, game one. You Informant FC versus HC Hustlers. Yes, get all the hardware needs. HD, Hummingbird distributors. You get your nails, you get your fan, you get the TV, you get the washing machine. You get all the hardware needs right at Hummingbird distributors on the highway. Next to West Trap. I just want to build up my boys at West Trap for sponsoring the show tonight. West Trap, big up yourself. Dangertown Council, easy investment. And yours truly, DYFA Garifuna radio station, 91.7 FM. AC looking good. Big up all the AC players. Big up all youth empowerment players. I see HD starting with 10 man. Is that 10 man? Is that 10? Yes, the one man down, the win for players, but nonetheless. It's kick off there by youth empowerment. All the way back to the defender on the left, back to number 6 in controlling. Looking for Dale Sampson, cool. 89. Number 5. Trying to get around Timo Estero. Estero. He is a hard tackler. HD playing with 10 man, 1 man down. In control in there. Big kick by Dale Sampson, they intercepted it quite well there by HD. 18 trying to launch an early attack inside the field. It's outside the 18-yard box. They're blocked there by with empowerment. Number 7, empowerment. Back. 1-2 pass there to number 7 on the eastern touchline. On the western touchline. Goalkeeper. Good job. It's nothing but dust. Players are playing hard. Big kick goalkeeper for 80. In control of this sound, number 14. Number 14, number 5. Back to the defender. They for 8 for youth empowerment. Center the ball looking for number 7. Number 7. 1 touch pass looking for number 5. That's HD. HD on the line now. It's going to be a throw in there for HD Hustlers. Good night, David. I see you. I see you there. Shar is laughing at you too there. We love you. Go back inside. Live action. You're 91.7 FM DYFA Garifuna radio station. Share the line. Nil ball game. Is it going to be 1? Is it going to be 0? Goal! He gets on the scoreboard for HD. One goal to nil. Early inside this first half. Early inside the first half. Right around goalkeeper Alex. Brock, number 14. Number 5 there for youth informant. Gilly, number 12. It's going to be a throw in there for youth informant. One person there, bubbles the late. Lose control there. Number 18 for youth informant, looking for Vince Thompson. Vince in control, and Vince looking for number 6. Baby. Misha, back inside of the field. Push wide there. Number 9 for HD on the top of side, 18 in that box now. Kerwin still tackling hard. Working hard for HD. Push wide there. Right around Kerwin. One goes to the ladies and gentlemen in favor of HD Hustlers. Leading Leroy Garcia. Looking for a quick smash. Block there by number 6 there for his informant. Number 18 takes that throw. Looking for number 14 and blocked there by number 5, but still in control. Maybe push. Looking for the striker there, but Alex Lucas. Wonderful work by Alex Lucas. Mr. Valera, good night. Welcome to Far Roma Stadium. No respect. That's my buddy. You're live on the DYFA Garifuna radio station. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Still looking for those 14 there. Push pass from McGill. Still looking, controlling, picked the ball half in the air. On the ground, controlling by number 14 Brock. Slide tackling by Kerwin, but lose control. Push wide on the eastern touchline. Going to be a throw in there for 18 Hustlers. 1 goes to nil. Control the baby. They were looking for Nyomi. Right around. The strong play by Nyomi. Going to be a foul on Nyomi. Referee Tisha Williams is right on top of the play. It's going to be a free kick. Yes, it is 1 goal to nil. High up in the air inside the box looking for McGill. Lose control. Kerwin. Number 7 in the center field. Back, number 7 was blocked there. Amisha. Number 7 still control on the top of side 18 back for Itaporament. Bulele missed. Play on referee said Bulele, you gotta get up. Yes, Archie Magdalena, good night. Hey. Yes, we have a commentator here tonight. Once again, it's going to be 2 games, back to back. 2 for the price of 1. Here's a heel pass there, looking for Pitch number 14. Pitch Looking for Timothy Estero. Estero. Inside the box now, Estero. Looking for Miguel. Blocked it by Nyami. The baby controlling. Looking for goalkeeper. It's going to be outside there by Timothy Estero. Estero building a house early. He's building a touch house early. Push wide there for building for youth empowerment. Alright. He controlling youth empowerment. Looking for Dean Sampson in the center of the field. Dean's want to launch out top. Now blocked it by Lady Garcia. Blocked it by number 14 and block. No high kick. These guys are karate out there. Karate kids. You call them karate kids. No. Number 18 there for youth empowerment. Look at youth empowerment in the block. They're kept inside the half right now. It seems like the ball cannot go over the half-field line. But Nyomi said no, we'll put it over the half-field line for you. He did. Number 18 still. 18 looking for number 7 again. Back to number 18 inside the box. On the attack. No! The outside. Building a house. Second house. 2-story house. Outside. They thought they could do that. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, live 191.7 FM. The Garifuna radio station. Not really taken away. It's 1 goal to nil in favor of. Yeah.
Good night, everyone. Welcome to Friday edition. Carabas, the Mayor's Club, yes. Youth 6. Alright, what a pass. Going to the eastern touch. But the man on the line says offside. The man in the middle, Disha Williams, control this one. Youth in empowerment against Hummingbird as distributors, right? The hustlers. The young man goes to nil. We're live 191.7 DYFA Garifuna radio station. Pass going out to the striker.
Timothy
Estero. He blasts that one into the middle, but the defender was there standing, man in the middle, Disha Williams said, goal kick. Corner kick for HD. One night inside the car, I must stay down. Cool, calm. The 1-0 in favor of HD Barcelona. Yes. Deflected out there by number 13. Smart play. Throwing for HD. All dressed in yellow and black, white striped tats, and black and yellow pants. Taken away there by the defender. But given away there by controlling there, number 14. Corner kick. Slow pace. For 1-0 all in favor of HD Hustlers against Youth Empowerment. Now I'm heading over across the bar, working for Youth Empowerment. Now I'm losing out there by the goalkeeper. Controlling there by number 9. Control. Number 7. Yes, number 7. We'll put that one in the stop there by the goalkeeper. What a play. Deflected by the defender, goalkeeper pulls and collects that one. Good try, what a shot there by the striker. Which he control. Put this one right underneath the zone and the eastern touch there. And go for it. The striker there. Intercepted by the jet number 13. 4. Jude not farming. Put that one wide, but intercepted by the defender. Goes in the middle. Number 14, control. Looking good. Playing smart. One man on a touch on the eastern touch ball for youth empowerment. Controlling the ball, youth empowerment. Looking good, number 6. Bomb break. Goes and tries to find number 16. Intercepted there. Lily Garcia. Lily Garcia goes in the middle. Smart. Back to Lily. Goes and find. Number 11 try to find. For intercept there. The Capitan Dins. Samson Dwayne in control. Dwayne put this one wide. Break it up there by Lily, but going on the western touch and after the field is a goal kick for Houston Park. Number 89, the Capitan Vince. Put that one into the zone, but goalkeeper pulls and collect that one. Alive, you know. Alive, Marvin. Controlling here. Confused there with the players. Son is good wide. Going for it. Number 18. Number 18 for youth department. Goes to number 9. Number 9. Goes to kick it away. Try to find out number 9 was intercepted. Number 14. Goes to 5. Try to put this on the line, but intercepted by the defender. Hello, number 19. 19. HD. Fabri. Loses, goes around. The referee said, play on. Number 9 control 4. Youth empowerment. Goes around 1. Yes, smart play. Goes on top. Headed up there by BC. Number 17, Shield. Kick that one high. Try to find number 7. Number 7 in control. Youth department. Trailing this one. One goal to nil. Youth department in control. Goal right find number 14. Rocket. Test number BC control. Intercepted by number 5 goes wide. Youth department looking good. Backing it around. Trying to find number 9. Alone on the western touch.
Yeah, thank you very much. That's the legendary commentator and announcer. Work for Love FM, Channel 5, Channel 7, all the channels there in the leads. That's actually Magdalena. Enough respect. Enough respect actually. Big side is the difference inside the Mayor's Cup 2025. Big kick there by Lily. Is that Lily Garcia? That's a foul. He's a human foul. There's a hard tackle there in the middle of the field by number 6 on Billy. Yeah, Magege, good night. Want this? Good luck yourself. Good night. Curry Benzema, good night, Curry. Yes. Lily Garcia. Looking for foul. Foul look for Benson. Touch shot. Push wide to Misha. Lose control to Vince Thompson. Thompson push wide. Looking for number 7. But trapped down there by the foul. A human foul. Goalkeeper, push wide. On Eastern touchdown to the human foul. Capture. Carter get rid of it real quickly. Walking the ball up, looking for Misha. Misha back to the human foul. The human foul is controlling. Looking for Miguelito. They're looking for a space. They're looking for space. They want to exploit the space, but back. All the way back, trying to bring the team out from the back. Building quite well. Push wide. Misha around one. Lose control, high kick in the air. Big kick out of my life. Looking for number 7, chest pass down to. Looking for Dins Sampson. Dins. Gotta give up on those plays. Dins gotta get back. Chop back. Sampson. Number 5. Looking for Brock. Block kick there by defender for HD. On the attack now once again HD. The distributors. The hardware guys. The cement guys. The steel guys. Hardware distributors. Hummingbird. On the attack block there number 6. Number 6 intercepted by Prince Saba. Prince Saba for Hummingbird distributors. They're looking for Benson Cacho. To Baby. Miguelito. Push wide. On the attack. Going and wide. On the attack. On. Center looking for Timothy Estero. Blocked there by Nyomi, number 13. Still. Blocked there by Brock. Launch attack goalkeeper Alexei. No, it's going wide. It's going to be a goal kick there for Youth Informant FC. 1 goal to 0 in favor of Hardware Store. Hardware Hustlers. Yeah, they script everything up. The Hardware script everything up right now. But Tim Sampson said, let's see how this will last. He launches an attack half in the air right around Misha. We track down them and Misha for HD Hustlers. The Hustlers pick the left. Misha still in control, push wide. Looking for Gerwin. Black lose control by Tim Sampson in control and looking for Bulele. Number 9 to Sampson. Blocked there by Misha. Back to number 5, the Informant. Youth Informant want to get on the scoreboard. But Christopher say, out of my life. Kerwin, Ramos, half in the air, back to Kerwin. High kick Kerwin, still. Kerwin chopped that ball down. Kerwin inside the box. Kerwin outside, looking for Timothy block there, number 6 on the ground. Trying to clear, but number 5 intercept the goalkeeper. Is still looking to see that ball. Alex Lucas is looking carefully. Now, Youth Empowerment FC. High up in the air looking for Bulele. Bulele chopped the ball looking for still Bulele. Slide tackle but Prince Saba. It's going to be a wonderful save there. Trying to save that corner kick. Back to goalkeeper, back to defender there for distributors. Human foul. Benson Cacho. Dins Sampson. Dancing, wiggling, right around Cacho inside the box. It's Don't know what to say. Last words. Don't know what to say. I don't believe it, did it? Unbelievable. Dins Sampson on top of the 6-yard box. Trying to slice that ball around goalkeeper. But you get another one, Dins. Don't worry about it, Dins. Still, hardware distributor looking for Misha. Get all the hardware needs from Misha. Still, Misha can control it. Misha trying to find Kerwin. But it's going to be a throw in there for referee Disha. Well, I'm saying, give it back to hardware distributors. They're working hard. Good night, David. We're still rolling, ladies and gentlemen. The ball is rolling. 91.7 FM is rolling. 1 goal to 0 in favor of the hardware guys. Still, Hustlers all the way back to the human foul. Foul controlling. He's looking to the left. Look at the eastern touch line to back to the west. Taking his own time, build from the back, right around back. Trapped down there by back. Looking for Kerwin on the eastern touch line. Estero. Number 7. Yes, they're looking for Bulele. Bull. It's going to be a foul on Bulele. my neighbor. Not tonight. Maybe tomorrow, but not tonight. It's 1 goal to nil in favor of Hardware Distributors. Billy in control and Billy looking for Naomi. Naomi. Around 1. Number 7 in control. Push wide. On the attack now. Youth informant. The youth. Aaron pass. 1 goes to nil. Yes, you want to thank Easy Investment, Namburg Town Council, DYFA Garifuna Rotation. You also want to thank Jungle Bar Brumbitters. Yes, it's building a cement house once again. Timothy Estero, building. How high are you going, Timo? How much stories are you going to build tonight, Timo? 1 story, 2 story, 3 story house. But it's still 1 goes to nil, ladies and gentlemen. Live action. Yes. I want to turn you over to the commentator for tonight's show, Atri Magdaleno. Take it away.
Thank you very much. Goalkeeper down for youth empowerment. There's a foul. Spot kick for youth empowerment. Big shot will put this one into play. Goes high, intercept there. HD, goes wide. HD control. Try to find Timothy Estero, was moved it out there by the racks. Intercept there by Lily and went out of touch. So 3-4. HD. Controlling number 11 goes to BC. Catcher. Catcher goes wide to defender. Left defender. Smack. Goes and find. Beware. Intercept. Number 9. Smack touch. Number 5 in control. He goes wide and find. Dents. All alone. Dents goes around 1. Big find him out, that's Grap loses. Almost slipped that one through, but intercepted. Estero Timothy in control for Hummingbird. Estero goes around 1. Estero smart, that one into the other zone, but put it out. Number 14 control. Cracker. Trying to go wide and intercepted by Benson. HD control, looking good. They're out. 1 goal to them. Benson goes to Lily loses touch, goes to Raka intercept. They go back to Lee. Number 18 control, so using fine. They try to go out the scoreboard. Youth empowerment goes to number 14, Grap goes to Dents, number 89, Dents, fire! Goal kick for HD. Defender control for HD. They're looking good, playing smart. HD. One wide, uneasy but intercepted there. Half a field of touch, showing for HD. Put this one into play, but half the field interception went half the field of touch. 1-0. All in favor of HD over youth empowerment. Big control. Smartly. Comes and finally he was intercepted there. And he went by. It's a corner kick for youth empowerment. That's HD. Goalkeeper collect that one and cool it down for youth empowerment, goes wide on the eastern touch and throw it in. He put that one wide. Youth empowerment control it for youth empowerment. Playing smart. This loses touch. Official return 3 minutes into this one. But the man in the middle leaves a winner and say, what? Spot kick for HD. Let's see what HD can do with this one. Goalkeeper. Double touch on this ball inside the 18-yard box. Free kick out in favor of HD. Right on top of the 6-yard box. Let's see if they can put this one away. What a shot, high! Goal kick. FC put this one into play, went out of touch. You guys have to put this one into play. 19 goes to BC, that's what they are. Number 14, Rock goes slow. Loses, intercepted by leading Garcia Smart. Controlling. Number 7. Number 7 control ball. You back to number 18 control. 18. Control run. Losing. Big. Smart. Throwing for you. And form. Big. Number 11 big. Goes to the middle. Swing this one and find Timothy. Goal kick. Lily Garcia in control. Lily Garcia put that one high. Try to find number 19. Number 19 goes around one. Fine. What a shot! What a shot! Goal! All in favor of HD. What a shot, they were that square win. On the scoring board again for HD. Control. Goes to this. Then somebody designing control for it. That's a you. To the box. Number 7 control. Number 7. Hello. 7 he goes around one. Bottom wheel. Number 7 man control. So that one into the danger zone. Bottom wheel control all over he goes to. Baby smart goes in the middle. Bakabuy goes around one, trying back, baby. Try goes around one, but foul. Shot, but goalkeeper pulls that one down. Unofficially 38 minutes into this one. First off, you one. Foul. Back for the youth. Youth empowerment actually do go to them. I'm not saying you're going for this one. But outside, the man in the middle, he's so real. Men's Cup Friday night. Week 6. Week 7. Number 3, intercept. Smart. You can over there. Outside. Estero. Supporter Estero all alone there in the house. Pat. In the outside position. Lily Garcia intercepted. Baby goes wide. Read by number 5 beat the one rush around one. Around 5-1 and Estero missing. Smart play, goal kick. Once again, we're live on 91.7 DYFA Garifuna radio station. Youth Empowerment and HD Hustler. 2-0. Youth Empowerment trailing. Put that one wide. Going for it. Yes. We can get it. Go there. Let's see. one now.
So do that. Bad song.
Bad, right?
Bad.
That's not like you don't want phone, man.
Go around the zone. Yes, we're clear. Universal control rules, animal handling. Goalkeeper kahit na buwan. Youth involvement, controlling. Goes high, wide in the middle. Goes for it, number 14. Smart. Goes and pass you guys down, goes high and wide. Intercept there. Number 14, Brock. You control all alone, Brock. Brock. Number 14. In control. Can't go there on fire. Loses. Ball. That's never go wide. Lily Garcia in control. Lily. So look at once. Fire. First half. Good one in the middle. First half and it's the hustler up 2. New department nil. They trailing. First half, game 1. Real to some music.
Yes, we're coming back, right back.